Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. I haven't spent a great amount of time in the workshop this week. I've got a bit of a problem ongoing with my back. What I did do, I actually did it this morning. I repaired a tappet adjuster or a rocker arm type adjuster of an old vintage car. I show a bit of that, and I also cut out a plasma house sign for a friend of mine. I've recently overhauled or rebuilt a throttle valve assembly of a SNNC steam wagon. I think that's 10 episodes that are on the Patreon channel. I'm going to put a couple of them on in part 2, just so I get a bit of material to watch. Anyway, I hope you find it interesting. What can I say? Let's get on with it. This is a rocker arm and a rocker pillar, I suppose it'd be called, of an old classic car. I'm not quite sure what sort of car it is, but it's obviously very old. The problem that I've got is everything's starting to wear out on it. And what he wants me to do is repair the end of this face here. There's a little key in there which locates onto that little pin there, and that is on an eccentric bush, and that's how you set the valve clearance. Now everything is too far along this way, so he wants me to bring that out 25 thou, solar a washer onto there, and then put that little key back in, which I'll probably just do with a file. He supplied a washer, but it's too big and it's galvanised, so the hole there's 5/16, that's a 5/16 drill. So I'll probably make the washer slightly smaller than 5/16 and drill it and ream it, or I'm not quite sure. But that little piece there will just be put in by hand, just a little square file, just a notch to take that eccentric thing there. See how it works. That's on an eccentric, so when you turn that, it moves the rocker on its central axis, and that's what gives the valve clearance. See how things are out of line, it's been touching on there, so it wants to move across a little bit. 25 thou is what he wants, so I'm going to get a bit of steel bar, turn the washer down, part it off, and then we'll see if we can solder it on. I think this is steel. I've done repairs on these before. I've actually brazed that piece there back on, that snapped off on one of them, not this one but one of these other ones. So that's a little project for this morning. Unfortunately, I've just broke the last tip on me Horton tool, so I'll have to use a high-speed steel one. It should do the job alright. Right, that's 25 thou, that's what the man wanted. See if we can part this off. hole in the water's actually underside, and I can put a remat through from the other side to get it right. Once I get the temperature, just so that will run round the top of there very nicely, I hope anyway. A bit more flux on it. Getting near the temperature now with the dull red colour to do that. With a nice neat shoulder job on here. Flux has gone round anyway, so piss off. Right, so a ring all the way around, that's all we need. And the water hasn't moved, so that should be quite a successful repair. Right, I've sewed that on quite nicely. It's right through there, and it's right through around there. There'll be plenty to hold it. And that's a little kiwi in there that I've got to put in. I'm just going to put it in with a file. And basically we'll be able to clamp it in the vise like that. And just gently file that into shape. A nice little needle file here. It's the right profile for the slot that's already in there, and hopefully that washer hasn't gone hard. Heating it up, I do think it will have. No, it hasn't. So just gently, carefully file a little notch in there for the pin to lock into, and that should be the job done. Find a better file than that, I think. It's a better one. Right, I put a 5/16 reamer through there, and that fits in there quite nicely, and that's locked into this little groove. And it means that when you turn that, that's offset on an offset butt, so that's what it's just a valve clearance. Quite a clever setup, really. I'm just going to leave it at that. And obviously when the nut's tightened up, that stops it from moving. I mean, that's a wear and play on it, but it's obviously oiled and done a lot of work. Anyway, it should live again now. I haven't cut a house sign out for quite some time. I've done some really fancy ones, but sometimes just a plain sign looks a lot better. This is just a straightforward plain sign.